If I were to summarize diversity, it's this. It's believing that culture fit is a 1980s approach to building teams. Culture fit is when you say, he speaks like me, he thinks like me. That is what we want in this company. It's similar to all the other leaders. That's culture fit. And it's okay to hire people based on that because you want to harmonize. But in the spirit of psychological safety, you also want to build teams based on culture add. So what's the difference? Culture fit is, he's the harmonizing type, he will blend in easily, I want this person in my team. Culture add is when you say, she's the challenging type. She has a fresher set of perspectives that none of us have. We want her in our team. Culture fit is when you say, in this company, we only want workers who work fast and always have a sense of urgency. That's the DNA of our organization. Fine, that's good. But don't you think that you should also have a mindset wherein employees say that we need to prioritize what to focus on? I'm going to be that employee who will say, before you push the button, have you already done X, Y, and Z? That's culture add. This slide does not tell us to choose between the two. This slide tells us to have both in our organization. You need to have culture fit and culture add at the same time. Okay?